Hello students, in this final segment of sequence series chapter we are going to discuss special series. First of all, from your knowledge of class 10, you know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n terms is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is very easily derivable from class 10 knowledge. Now let's have a look at one expansion. Suppose you want to do n cube minus n minus 1 whole cube. So this expansion, after simplification, it becomes 3n square minus 3n plus 1. So on both sides, if you put n equal to 1, so 1 cube minus 0 cube is this. If you put n equal to 2, it is this. And finally, for n as n only, this is the equation. So if you add all these equations, then on the left hand side, the terms will cancel. Suppose 1 cube and minus 1 cube, etc. So you will only be left with n cube and 0 cube. So basically left hand side you will only have n cube. On the right hand side you will have 3 into 1 square plus 2 square up to n square, that means 3 into summation n square, minus 3 into 1 plus 2 up to n, that is summation n, and then 1 is equal to n. So 3 into summation n square minus, now summation n is n into n plus 1 by 2, and of course n remains as n. So finally you want summation n square, so that is 2n cube plus 3n square plus 3n minus 2n by 6. After simplification it gives this. So that means the final answer, summation n square, that means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square, is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So this is the second formula of special series. Now let's have a look at the next formula. For this we will have to again consider one simplification, n to the power 4 minus n minus 1 to the power 4. So that is giving n to the power 4 minus, now n minus 1 to the power 4 takes some doing, but this is what it gives. So finally it gives 4n cube minus 6n square plus 4n minus 1. Now on both sides, if you put n equal to 1, you will get this. If you put n equal to 2, you will get this. And finally for n equal to n, you will get this. Now if you add all these equations, then n to the power 4 is 4 into 1 cube plus 2 cube up to n cube, minus 6 into 1 square plus 2 square up to n square, plus 4 into 1 plus 2 up to n, and then minus 1 which is n. Now 1 cube plus 2 cube up to n cube is summation n cube. Now 6 into 1 square plus 2 square up to n square, we just now saw the formula, it is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, and 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n is n into n plus 1 by 2, and of course minus n remains. So we need this term summation n cube, so keep it on the left, keep everything else on the right, simplify the right hand side, it will give this, and finally you will get n square into n plus 1 whole square. So that means summation n cube is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. So this is the third formula of special series. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 4 n cube is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Now the next thing which we will be discussing is actually not a formula, it's a method. It is called telescopic method. In this actually the expressions will all be in the denominator, like suppose this series. According to telescopic method, you should write every numerator as difference of the extremes. For example, the extremes over here, the highest is 3, lowest is 1, so 3 minus 1. Similarly this numerator 5 minus 3. Similarly the last numerator 2n plus 1 minus 2n minus 1. And then you will realize that all the numerators are coming to the same thing, and obviously that is 2. So outside you have to take a 2 common in the denominator to adjust with this 2. In the next step you will find that you can write every fraction as the subtraction of two fractions. For example, this is 1 by 1 minus 1 by 1/3. This is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. And the last one will be 1 by 2n minus 1 minus 1 by 2n plus 1. So you will find that all the terms will cancel alternately except the first and the last. So you will get half into 1 minus 1 by 2n plus 1, which is giving n into 2n plus 1. So this is the method known as telescopic method. Finally, Let us see how to apply the techniques of formula number 1, 2 and 3. Suppose I have a sum like this, prove that 1 into 2 square plus 2 into 3 square up to n into n plus 1 whole square divided by 1 square into 2 plus 2 square into 3 up to n square into n plus 1 is 3n plus 1 5 by 3n plus 1. Suppose I have to prove this. First of all, let's analyze the numerator. In the numerator, the general term is n into n plus 1 whole square. So I have written general term, we usually write like this Tn. So it is n into n plus 1 whole square. So after expansion and simplification, it gives n cube plus 2n square plus n. Now if you want to sum the numerator, that means Sn is summation of n cube plus twice summation of n square, and then finally it will be summation of n. Now summation n cube, we just now discussed special series formula. It is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Then summation n square will be n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, and summation n will be n into n plus 1 by 2. So out of these three, if you take n into n plus 1 by 2 common in the bracket, you will get this. After further simplification, you will get this. Then you can do one thing, you can do a middle term factorization like this, and finally after simplifying the middle term, the answer is coming n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into 3n plus 5 by 12. So what is this n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into 3n plus 5 by 12? This is the total answer of the numerator. Now let us look at the denominator. Now in the denominator, the general term is n square into n plus 1. Now in the denominator, the general term is n square into n plus 1, which is n cube plus n square. So the summation of the denominator will be summation of n cube plus summation of n square. Now summation of n cube is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4, and summation n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Now if you take n into n plus 1 by 2 common between these two, inside the bracket you get this. This inside bracket thing, after simplification, it gives this. And again you can do a middle term of this entire thing. So that gives 3n square plus 6n plus n plus 2. Then the simplification of the middle term. And finally this is the answer. So what is this answer? This is the total of the denominator. So the total of the denominator is this, and the total which we got of the numerator was this. And now the required answer is basically the division of those two, and that gives 3n plus 5 by 3n plus 1. So this is the topic special series.